Okay, so this brand actually not getting any sales. So this brand actually gonna reach out to me, hey, for how do you are not getting any sales? What can we do? So the exact plan I'm going to share with you so that you can actually get more sales. Okay. So initially, first step, you have to make it optimized. You should you should make your website something like that. Okay, let me show you. So the website I have created for my client, row and card, not row and card, shop.row and card. Okay, shop shop shop.row and card. So this is the website I have created for my client, and same thing, the same layout I have created another client, another website, and another. So they're actually getting every single day sales. Okay, so I will show you the preview as well, sales preview, and this is private. My client told me to not show you. So look at so this layout, look at this layout, and this layout exact same. So we have created this beautiful website for my client. So if whenever people come, they will 100% trust this brand and they will buy the product. Okay, and same thing for this one. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Very amazing photography and very good layout. But look at this design. Very boring. Okay. People not will never get trust. Okay. So this website product and everything looks very amazing. But the problem is they actually not organize their layout and their social media website, social media page, nothing link up. So people not nothing trust of this brand. So that's why this brand by the end of the day not getting any sales. Okay. So there's the one thing is good. They actually put it their currency changer. Okay. So automatically will take the currency and their loading time is very slow. So that's why this brand actually not earning any money. Okay. So and product which is very basic and very bad layout. Okay. So they look at this product page. Okay. So that the website I have created client for my client. So look at this project. Let's come to this one and let's come to this one. Okay. So look, so very nice and organized product page, and then also I have put it here, the if you buy this price to this price, they will get this discount. They all the description have images and then 3 step to get the review, and same thing for this one as well. Okay, no changes. Okay, now look at this. So here's the cash on delivery available, and then also all of the product images, description, actually everything available here, and FAQs, chat box option, reviews, everything I put it here. Okay. Okay, so and then also I have all of the content and everything. So there's a very good layout. So I have created a very good video so that people can visually see the product. They can actually buy the product. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple and straightforward. Nothing complicated here. So you should make your website something like that to get more sales. So I hope you guys you completely got it. So if you want to, if your story still look like this, you will never get sales. Okay, so let's improve that together. So to improve this, you can do it with us. So come to the creativeboost.com. So I will give this link into the video description. You can reach out to me easily, and you can message me into WhatsApp for quick response. You can book a call with me. You can schedule a book a call, whatever you want. You can definitely do it. Okay. So I will wait for you. So guys, yeah. So this URL is I will fix this. So look at this. So you can message me to over here for quick response. Okay. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.